Hello everyone! Have you ever looked at a plant and just wondered, how does it all work? Well, today हम plant के सारे secrets uncover करने वाले हैं. Let's dive right in.
How do they eat? How do they drink? And how on earth do they manage to stand up so perfectly straight and tall? Chalo, let's find out the answers together in this explainer.
Believe it or not, plants are kind of like us. ये सब शुरू होता है with teeny tiny cells. और जब ये cells team up करते हैं, they form tissues. फिर अलग-अलग tissues group together to make what we call organs. Alright, so now let's meet the main players, the plant organs. ये वो special parts हैं जो सारे important jobs करते हैं to keep the plant alive and happy. First up, we've got the root. इसका काम है to be the plant's anchor, उसे ज़मीन में मजबूती से पकड़ के रखना. Plus, it's also like a straw, sucking up all the water and nutrients. You know that feeling when you try to pull out a weed and it just won't budge? That's the root doing its job.
Next, the stem. You can think of it as the plant's backbone, holding everything up nice and tall. But get this, it's also the plant's highway system. इसके अंदर there are tiny pipes, जिन्हें हम xylem कहते हैं, and they carry water all the way from the roots to the top.
And now for the leaf. This is basically the plant's own personal kitchen, or maybe even a solar-powered food factory. ये leaves sun की light, पानी और हवा use करके पूरे plant के लिए yummy food बनाते हैं. And that super cool process, it's called photosynthesis.
Last but not least, the flower. अब flowers सिर्फ beautiful नहीं होते, they have a super important job. ये plant का reproductive organ है. मतलब, they help the plant make more baby plants by creating seeds and even fruits.
Okay, so here's the thing. ये सारे organs अकेले काम नहीं करते. It's all about teamwork. They're actually organized into two big super systems.
Just look at this diagram. You can see it so clearly here. देखो, there are two distinct systems. एक system है below the ground और दूसरा है above the ground.
So let's break that down. First, we've got the below ground team, the root system. इसका सीधा सा काम है absorb water and all the good stuff from the soil. फिर आती है above ground team, the shoot system. इसमें आते हैं stem, leaves and flowers. और इनका काम है support, making food and of course reproduction.
Alright, that was a whirlwind tour, right? अब वक्त है quick knowledge check का. Let's see what you remember. Don't worry, it's just for fun. Ready?
First question for you. Which part of the plant is an organ? Your choices are A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Leaf, or D. Mesophyll tissue. What do you think?
And the answer is C. Leaf. That's right. Remember, an organ is made of different tissues working together, and that's exactly what a leaf is. It's the plant's food-making organ.
Okay, question number 2. The root system is primarily responsible for what? Is it A. Making food, B. Absorbing water, C. Reproduction, or D. Shading the ground?
You got it. It's B, absorbing water. Exactly. The main job of our below-ground team, the root system, is to slurp up all that water and nutrients from the soil.
All right, next one. Flowers are part of which system? Is it the A. Root system, B. Shoot system, C. Digestive system, or D. Circulatory system?
The correct answer is B, shoot system. Flowers are a star player on the above-ground team. Simple rule. Agar wo zameen ke upar hai, it's part of the shoot system.
Okay, time for a fill in the blank. We talked about those tiny water-carrying tubes. Water is conducted from roots to leaves by... What was that word?
Yes, the answer is xylem. Bilkul sahi. Xylem works just like a bundle of tiny straws, pulling water all the way from the ground right up to the very top leaf. So cool.
And for our last review question, what makes up the shoot system? Let's see if you can name the parts.
That's right. The stem, its branches and the flowers. ये सारे parts above the ground मिलकर काम करते हैं. Fantastic job.
So you see, it really is all about working together. Har ek part, har ek system has its own job, but they all cooperate to help the plant live, grow, and thrive.
So, what are the big ideas to remember? First, plants have organs just like us: roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. Second, they have two main teams: the root system below ground and the shoot system above. And finally, these two systems have to work together perfectly for the plant to survive.
And I'll leave you with this little puzzle to think about. हमने देखा कि a regular stem holds up leaves and flowers. But what about a cactus in the desert? What special job do you think its stem has adapted to do? Something to think about. Thanks for joining me today.